This is how you're going to install SSL certificate in Hostinger. So step 1 is you're going to log into your Hostinger at hpanel.hostinger.com, and then from your dashboard you're going to click on websites at the left sidebar. Now from here you're going to select the site that you want to secure. So step 2, in the left sidebar, just search for SSL or go to security and then SSL. If Hostinger detected your domain correctly, click install SSL or get SSL. Hostinger provides free domain validated SSL certificates and often installs them automatically when your domain points to Hostinger. Step 4, after installation, go to the same SSL page and enable force HTTPS or force HTTPS toggle to redirect all visitors from HTTP to HTTPS in one click. If you prefer, you can also add a redirect rule in .ht that access. Step 5 is if installation fails, check that the domain is connected to the hosting, DNS is propagated, and there are no conflicting CDN settings. And that is how you're going to install SSL certificate in Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.